A lot of people want to kill me. You know, a lot of people, I see people, oh, they're looking for you, Papa, they're looking for you, you know, to stop you. Any kind of shit like that. You know, I say, I'm fighting for my life, man.
Future Wave, Brown Bag Money, time it is. My mom paints $1 million landscape. Shorty rock the red dawn while she fry the pan steak. Nowadays I'm putting less trust in a handshake, cause I know I apply the pressure that they can't take. The moves that they make now is the moves I made for 'em. With a sign as free agents, I would never trade for 'em. Should've brought you to the end, spot you to the state storm. Now I'm South Florida shark fishing in the rainstorm. Used to be 40, son, smoke trees on the steps. Used to cipher in the cut, bust freeze for the rep. Used to serve them all cheap, now I need me a check. Used to doubt me back then, I could see the regret. Saw me nothing less, I put a squeeze on the neck. Hard to breathe in the city, bunch of demons of death. Ricochet hit your leg, make you lean to the left. Fiend circle right back, try and increase the effect. About to drop some new fire, this for all the old fans. Smoke a blunt, watch the flame on the stove dance. Keep a hand, man, we hold hands, it's like a romance. Springfield in the pocket of the low pants. Cold shoulders for some old lovers. I was a road runner working with some low numbers. Shorty tell her friends like you so humble. While these buckets like they spoon to the cold bubble. I ain't tryna see no trouble, this a different plan. Breathe in the night air, feel like a different man. Tryna buy some country land with my kids in hand. Used to be inside the rum bar, twisted grams. Now we run a business, fam, everything legal now. I'm just tryna do right, tryna make my people proud. Had to lose a couple of them, wish that I could keep them round. I'll be flooded heavy now, make them out the fleet of town. My mom paints $1 million landscape. Shorty rock the red thorn while she fry the pan steak. Nowadays I'm putting less trust in a handshake, cause I know I apply the pressure that they can't take. My mom paints $1 million landscape. Shorty rock the red thorn while she fry the pan steak. Nowadays I'm putting less trust in a handshake, cause I know I apply the pressure that they can't take.